Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be doing a short step-by-step guide on how to update a modded switch to latest firmware 21.1.0. This method will also work in the future. Let's begin. Now let's check the current custom firmware version, which is 20.5.0. Next, we reboot the console into the official which has the same version. First step will be to update the official firmware via the internet. It will take few minutes, and once the process finishes, the console will reboot on its own. We are now officially on the latest firmware version 21.1.0. Now let's move on to updating the custom firmware. First step is to go to the website and download the latest HATS package. We make sure it supports the version we want to install. Once downloaded, you need to extract it. Now power off your switch and insert the micro SD to laptop. You need to delete these following folders: config, bootloader, and atmosphere. Now copy the HATS package files into the micro SD and replace all files. Let's go back to the same website and download the latest custom firmware. Extract it into a dedicated folder and copy it to the root of the micro SD. Finally, eject the micro SD, we finish it with it. You will now download the latest Hecate, which is compatible with the target firmware. Extract it. We will need the payload from it. Launch the tool Tegra RCM and select the payload from Hecate folder. Put back the micro SD into the switch. Enter the RCM mode by putting the jig and pressing the volume up and power button while connecting to PC. When successfully, the RCM mode will turn to green. Once everything is ready, click on Inject Payload button. If you are liking my video, please like and subscribe. It will help support the channel. Now the payload is injected, we are prompted with the screen. Click OK. You can select the date or ignore. Now click on Launch, then select MU-MMC to boot into the custom firmware. As you can see, we are now in the same custom firmware as before. What we need to do is to go to Album and launch Daybreak application to update the switch. We click on Install button, we select the firmware folder and validate. After a few minutes, the button Continue will become enabled. We click on it, we click Preserve Settings, then Install FAT32 plus exFAT, and finally we click on Continue button. I will speed up the video, but this step will take around 3 minutes to update. Relaunch as previously the MU-MMC. Finally, we have succeeded to update the custom firmware to latest version 21.1.0. Everything is working fine as expected. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it will help a lot your support. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.